Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to go over something a little bit different, right? Retail arbitrage, social media style. So this is a really cool way to just like flip things locally, make some quick money. Not really much needed other than a form of transportation and access to the internet. So let's check this out here. As you can see, we're at Craigslist.com right now. And the principle is going to stay the same throughout anything, right? So first and foremost, right? I mean, it's like something very obvious, but not many people have actually thought about it. I never thought about it until I thought about it. And then I was like, oh, I can't believe it took me so long to actually figure this out. So check this out. So you're going to go here, for sale and free. So there's just like a bunch of random things that are actually for free for sale in your local community. Right? So you have couches here, you have rugs, chairs, just like a bunch of just random household items, a desk, old monitors, stuff. I mean, that's not super expensive, of course, right? But you know, you can definitely flip these things to make a buck. So let's pick one. Let's say 2 box fans, $0, right? So we'll take this, right? Let's say this is a cool offering, see if it's still available, of course. But, I mean, ultimately come here to the Facebook Marketplace. Let's say box fan. Let's see how much. $15, $5, $75, $5, $15. So you could just pick this up and sell it and make, 10, 20 bucks in just one back and forth, right? I mean, again, it's not life-changing money, but this is a really cool idea if there's nothing to do, or let's say the world went on lockdown for some reason and there was a huge pandemic and many people lost their jobs. It'd be really a good idea to just do some stuff like this, right? Just drive around a little bit, pick up items, put them on for sale. So here's the idea. So you get this, go to Craigslist, message this person, see if it's there for free. At the same time, as soon as you find out that it is available, you want to go ahead and just repost it on Craigslist for $5, $10, $15. You want to repost it on apps like OfferUp, where it's all local as well, $5, $10, $15. And also the Facebook Marketplace, right? So you just find items that are for free, and you pick them up and ship them, right? Most of the time, it's because it's a larger item like this, a pull-out couch, right? They just want it gone. So if you have let's say a pickup truck or a truck, you can pick this up and sell it for $200, $300, $400. So it's just a cool idea on how you can just flip quick things for money, right? You can do the same thing for iPhones, let's check it out here, what's going on. So, I mean, the iPhones obviously go for a good amount, but if you sort it by price, like max $100, $80, $50, you find the cheaper ones, there's a 6 Plus for 15 bucks, right? You unlock it, you restart it, and then you sell it for 50 bucks, 60 bucks. So these are just quick ways of flipping things, making money online still, right? But you're ultimately just thinking outside of the box, and you're not doing the same thing that everybody else is doing. You're helping these people, get the emergency cash that they need, or whatever it is for getting rid of these items or getting them out of their house. And then you're selling them for a little profit. You're getting it to the end user, and you're making a couple bucks in the meantime. So this is just another good way to make some extra money as a side hustle, so to speak. I hope this helps. If you like this, if you got value out of this, smash the subscribe button below and like this video. Let's get it in front of more people, and I'll push out some more content as well. So talk to you guys soon.